kuna mtu atasema nifanye tena. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pick and Rate. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. If you're new here, karibu sana. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here we cook and have fun at the same time. So thank you so much guys for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing people. If you're watching this for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel because here you're going to have lots of fun. Okay, today my people, we are going to make something very interesting. Okay, it's a quick fix. It's a very quick fix. If you have these ingredients in the house and you're hungry and you are not sure what you really want to do with the ingredients, I've got something for you. I've got something simple and something quick for you. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for chicken shawarma? Yeah! Unajua watu wengi wanafikirianga ati hizi vitu ni za sijui akina nani ndio wanatengenezanga shawarma, ndio wanakulanga shawarma. You people, I am here to show you how to make amazing shawarma. Maybe even better. Have you ever eaten shawarma? If you have ever, comment down below. If you've never, still comment down below and tell me how the experience was. If you ever ate shawarma somewhere, you liked it, tell me. If you didn't like it, tell me, and tell me why you didn't like it. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do it my way. Okay, kama kuna mtu you enjoy shawarma yenye mi upika, ni Keimo you kula shawarma, you dish meal yani na muangalia hivi like what are you doing. Alafu now that I'm eating a lot of vegetables, shawarma I usually put mine lots of vegetables, okay. I usually put cabbages, shredded cabbages, na carrots, okay. And of course for chicken shawarma you're going to need chicken. These are boneless chicken. You can use boneless chicken. If you want, you can buy full chicken ukatakate penye utajisikia, but I prefer this, it's easier, right? Then here we have tomatoes, we have cucumbers, we have onion, we have lemon. Here we have some sauces. We have sweet sauce, we have some burger sauce here, we have some ketchup, we have some eggless mayonnaise. I prefer eggless mayonnaise. I have ever said that before. I prefer eggless mayonnaise because I cannot stand eggs. Taste of eggs, I can't stand it. If you want, use the egg one, but for me, I prefer eggless. Okay, do you prefer eggless or the mayonnaise with eggs or eggless? Which one do you prefer? Comment down below, tell me. Then here I have the base. These are called tortillas. Okay, so this is the wrap. Kama ushakula shawarma, ndio ina wrap shawarma. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to make it from scratch, but this recipe imekuja random na since sikuwa na time cause ni dough you have, I don't know to do what, lots of work, so I just decided I'm gonna use what I have. Ziko supermarket, you can find them in the supermarket. You can either get this specific brand or you can just look something that looks like this, similar. Okay, that is if hautaki kushinda kutengeneza from scratch, lots of work for me. So guys, before anything else, let's take our chicken. Okay, here I have an empty bowl. This is for mixing our sauce here. Okay, then we have oil. This we're going to use in our chicken and all that. Okay, I'm going to create some few mitaros hapa ndani. I'm going to make some mitaros there. The reason why is because I want to marinate this chicken of ours. I'm going to put in some marination. I didn't introduce these ingredients here. So here we have salt, we have paprika, we have chicken cubes crushed, and this is curry powder. Then we have black pepper. Okay, you can omit something here, but if you want your shawarma to taste like mine, please be my guest. Okay, so I'm gonna mix all these ingredients. I'm gonna mix them all together. like that, like so. Mini mixologist. Then tuna mwagilia chicken yetu like that. We turn. You see that why we needed these mitaros here. We need the mitaros because we want our marination to go in. You can marinate this for hours if you want. You can marinate overnight if you want. But since we are in a hurry, I'm just going to set it aside there as I wait for our mafuta ikue moto. So when we're still at it, we are going to mix our veggies. We're going to start with the cucumbers like that. Put in your onion, then your tomatoes like so. Okay, then depending on how you want your cabbages, then you put in your cabbages. So remember our extra bowl, this one, we're going to mix in our sauce. Okay, this is sweet, hot and sweet. That's hot and sweet like that. Then we are going to put in, let's put some ketchup instead. We're going to put in some ketchup like that. Oh guys, don't forget we have some cooking here. So tuwekele chicken yetu. Lower your heat completely. Lower your heat like so. Like so. So guys, continue. Eggless mayonnaise. Okay, our eggless mayonnaise like that. Alafu the lemon water, half is okay, like so. Then you become a mixology. You guys, let me tell you, already mate yangu yanadondoka. Make sure you don't burn your chicken. Okay, burn, I mean usiunguze. Okay, don't unguza your chicken, your ngoko. Haya, let's continue mixing. Remember our nini hapa, our cabbages. You're going to put in your mix, your paste, your butter, your paste, your sauce, sorry. Then utabakisha kidogo ya kupaka mkate. Mkate. Nani alinizenasha alikuwa anaita chapo. Yeah, so we're going to leave some. Then you mix nicely. Okay. Yay, guys, come over. See how this looks like? So if you don't take meat, you can, I think you can just do your shawarma like this. Kuna mtu atasema nifanye tena. By the way, madam, wateni wa IBS learn how to do that. Alafu unatishia Hazi, unamwambia come, I know how to do this thing. Anaona ukiwa mnoma. Najua mimi growing up nilikuwa naona hao machefs wakiwa wanoma. Wenye wanadu hivyo. Mbona wanaona wakiwa wakali like wow, how are you guys doing that? Sasa utapatia hata hazi yako excuse ya kwenda kuringia wase wengine. Mzee wife yangu mwanzo. Wife yangu yupika mpaka moto inatokea juu ya pan mzee. There you go. Okay. So guys, we are going to shred our chicken. Make sure you follow instructions, because if you don't, you know what is going to happen? You're not going to be able to make such shawarma. I promise you. Yeah, so you have to follow instructions very well. So you people, here we are. So after we finish shredding our chicken, we take our tortillas. Hiyo jina yunichanganya. Then remember ile paste tulikuwa tumeacha. Remember, we're going to spread. Okay. We're going to spread it. We're going to spread it all over. Venye tu wewe unataka. Okay. Then weka chicken. Najua most of you mtaweka chicken karibu mzima like that. Then we're going to put in our vegetables like that, like so. Alafu tuikunje. Utaikunja tu vizuri ndio isikatinge like so. Alafu tuiekelee hapa juu, tuiekelee hapa ikuwe moto, alafu ishikane vizuri. Our pan is dry. Okay, iko na mafuta kidogo tu, but you can make it dry. Then on low heat, you people, wekele fold yetu hapo. Same process, same. Kuna mtu hapa anasikia tu. And that is kemo. Okay, today I've even done it differently from how I did it the first time. Kemo, yatuja notice. Kuna sauce nimebuy extra leo.
Mimi kukula na kulaga, mimi kuharibu, mimi naingia hapo kuharibu mimi.
Unaingia.
Hata hivyo unafanya hakuna kitu na ladha mimi.
Tutani nini yetu. See? So imeshikana vizuri hapo. So you guys, surprise your husband, your fiancé, your whoever with this amazing recipe. Then you come kwa DM zangu uniambie kama watai like. Okay? So the reason why we're doing that, we are putting it together. Unaona imeshikana? Yeah, we're putting it together. Tukifanya ikuwe hot like a hito. Yo, my people, our shawarma is ready to be eaten. So here we go. It's ready. Just be careful. Nimeona hapa nimeacha space, but it's fine. Just be careful. Yo, look at that, guys. Sijui na taste nini, but najua nani tu kama soda venye hanaanguka. What's okay? Na biawa konde. Look at my hapa. Now the thing is,
Kaya bana, hizo vitu unachochoa. And now the thing is, Kuna kitu unasema ni mfala.
Sipia unajua siwezi kula hiyo.
Sasa unaweza sema nini unasema the thing is na hakuna kitu unasema.
But this half is enough for me. Sipia unajua hivyo. You guys, try this recipe. Just try it. Jaribu tu. Life yako itakuwa fit. You see, it's not expensive. Hata ukibai hii mkate, I think the chapos, this dough, tell me how venye zinaitwa jota.
The recipe imekukost so much on a rough estimate.
Can't tell as such because already nilikuwa na ketchup, niko na sauces. I have all the sauces. Na hizo sauces ni sauces unaweza tumia all the time. So kitu yenye leo nimebuy, since I have everything else in the house, was just this. And maybe chicken nikabuy ya 200. Okay? Na hii I think ni 175. So hata haijafika 500. Yeah, because you have everything else. I had cabbages, I have like all the vegetables here. Yeah. So it's not gonna cost you more than 500 bob.
But the same shawarma pale tau.
It depend na size. Kai size ni 450. Hii size.
So ukijipikia utatoa 3 ama 4. More.
Because kwa hiyo packs ni 6. Na hiyo mixture yote nimemix hapa inaweza make zote 6. So with less than 500 you can feed 6. Yeah, you can make 6 shawarmas with the chicken and the veggies. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm there, pick and narrate. Kujeni tuwasiliane, kujeni tuongee. Na ukimake hii recipe, come also tell me, okay? Bye.
Simplest ingredient.